10th anniversary, and we specialize in pure Kanchipuram silk sarees in pure zari. We have branches here in Chennai, Coimbatore, Bangalore also, and now this year we have introduced, due to our 10th anniversary, we've had a wide range of concepts introduced. Now earlier we've introduced a lot of concepts in pure zari sarees, and the intention has been to make youngsters wear more of pattu sarees. So this year we've introduced two concepts in pure zari Kanchipuram silks and two other concepts also. So one is the duotone silk sari, which is a double side border, but with a difference. The border comes only there are the upper border and the lower border are in two different shades and two different designs, and you'll find the upper border coming only along the top portion of the body, and the lower border comes only along the pleats. So when you drape it, it looks like you can see an upper border and then the body and then the lower border. That's how it looks when you drape. And this is one more thing is there may be some average and short, people who are not very tall, I would say. So they may like long borders but not be able to wear it because they feel they look a little short. But in this particular sari, this is something where you have lovely long borders, and it is apt for anyone. Silk, and we have right from ranges from 7,000 onwards up to 17,000-18,000. The other concept is the neon silk. Now neon shades are very, very popular now. You find it in all kinds of fabric, and youngsters really love neon colors. So we thought, why not introduce this in Pathav, the red carpet collections. Now this had been introduced at our recent fashion show that we had held, which was graced with by his Shah Rukh Khan and Deepika Padukone had graced the occasion with their presence, and this was introduced in their presence, the red carpet collections.